Dow's down 770 points, and as stocks sink and are on track for their worst month in over a year, is it too late to make changes to your portfolio? Joining us now is Eli Saltzman. He's portfolio manager of the Neuberger Berman Large Cap Value Fund. Eli, let's pick up on what Dom was just describing. Your top holdings include JP Morgan, Bank of America, PNC, Truist. So you see that flatter curve, and you must be, we've seen this environment before, but do you think today's just a head fake?
Yeah, I think today is a head fake. I mean, there's some very serious news. There's a lot of fear that this is a Lehman Brothers contagion type moment. We do not believe that to be the case at all. Financials are selling off as a result. The yield curve is flattening. We expect later this year the yield curve to steepen. As most of you recall, about 4 weeks ago, I said on CNBC that I thought the next 4 to 6 weeks is going to be choppy. I think now we're down to the final 2 weeks. I think this is the last opportunity to take advantage by the cyclicals and specifically by the financials. Take advantage of this head fake.
So we have the S&P not quite down 5%, and you're telling me it's over. This is like the first 5% correction we've had in over a year. What is it because of corporate buybacks, the huge retail participation in the market? Is it the fact that everybody's been anticipating this decline, so it scares nobody? I mean, what gives you the confidence to say this is going to be just a pretty short-lived event?
Yeah. I'm not saying today is the last day. I'm saying over the next 2 weeks is what I believe it's going to be short-lived. I'm expecting that at some point in the next 2 weeks for the China government to step in and frankly stop the contagion. So the yield curve flattening should stop and it should actually start to steepen again. And it's the last chance to buy the cyclicals. If you look at the cyclical side of the market's actually been quite weak for the last several months. While the overall indices have held up, the cyclical side of the market has actually not been a particularly good place to be over the last 3-4 months. I think the correction is getting very long in the tooth, and I think this is the final 2 weeks.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.